What's up, guys? And today I'm going to be doing some burping. Episode 2. Oh my god. Some RKO. So. World record says. Okay.